Hello, ako po si Sharon Yaranon, Security Guard ng National Museum of the Philippines. Sinisigurado kong napapangalagaan ang seguridad ng museo sa loob man o labas nito. My work empowers me as a woman as I can also do things that a man can do. This being said by breaking gender stereotypes in security roles. Kung kaya ng kalalakihan, kaya rin ng kababaihan. I am proud of being able to do what I love. Stricto ako when it comes to implementing the security and safety of guests and our cultural heritage. And yun sa palagay ko yung nagpapakita kung gaano ako ka-effective and efficient na gwardiya. Being able to do my job and running the extra mile without being told to do so. Yung motivation ay yung love and dedication ko to our cultural heritage. I have seen people from all walks of life and from all over the world trying to see our country in a manner that will make you really proud as a Filipino. Mapalad tayo at nabigyan ng pagkakataon na hindi tayo babae lang. Babae tayo at malaki ang naiaambag natin sa sining at kasaysayan. Let's do this as our motivation to create a long-lasting impact to the visitors, as this is also part of our cultural heritage by being hospitable and welcoming Filipinos to local and foreign tourists. Sa ngalan ng mga kababaihan, Happy National Women's Month! Inaanyayahan ko po kayong lahat na bumisita dito sa National Museum of the Philippines. Bukas po kami araw-araw from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. See you!